Guys, naka-jackpot na naman tayo ng isang murang accommodation dito sa Seoul, as in nasa central location siya in the heart of Hongdae at napakaganda ng kwarto, guys. This is Hongdae Design Property Lolo Cozy na you can book for as low as 3,000 pesos sa Agoda. Pwede nyo pang magamit yung promo code ko, guys. Dave Agoda, capital letters yan. Redeem on mobile app para maka 10% off pa kayo. Kung magbubook naman kayo ng activity, pwede nyo rin magamit yung promo code ko, Kuripot Agoda, para maka 5% off kayo sa inyong mga activities. Nagba-vary yung price, guys, kasi pwedeng pang dalawa, pwedeng tatlo, and pwedeng apat. Ito, may mga salamin. May pa-desk dito. May upuan. Ito, may table. May 3 chairs. Pwede tayo mag-work dito. And ang kabog, guys, nakamat. So, bawal ipasok yung sapatos. May tsinelas naman silang provided. Of course, may TV, may aircon, and ito may sampayan, may hanger, may parube. Ay, laglag. And then may microwave, may ref, may washing machine. May mga utensils, plato-plato dyan. So, pwede tayo magkukas dito. May induction cooker, guys. This is the toilet, guys. Provided na rin dito yung towel. Tingnan nyo naman yung location ng accommodation natin. It's in the heart of Hongdae. Malapit lang yung train station dito at bus stop. Ang ganda talaga ng location natin. And yeah, this is my favorite area.